drift punch in here, loosen this halfway up, that one right there, get these all loose, lift it up here, get this one started down here, then play with this one while you're lifting a little bit there, and then tighten them all up. What I can fly up on here and get the back top bolt started. That one right there. Right there. Then stuff will start to line up, I hope. Okay, can't get the last bolt out, but when you loosen this bolt, it loosens the whole compressor, and you have to put the bolt in and put it back together before you tighten up the rest. There is a fourth bolt, and the breaker bar with a small head is the only way I got the two back bolts on this Subaru's compressor. AC condenser leak, 08 Imprenza. Compressor had a leak. The clutch has got no feel at all. Big gap. Got a new compressor. Had to move the radiator back, take the fans out. Get the headlights so it moves a little bit. One bolt underneath the headlight bracket for the condenser. Same on this side, but this side here wasn't bolted down because it's been wrecked on this side. Because the fans also hit on that side. And that's how you do the AC compressor, which I'm still trying to figure out how to tighten the belt. That's about it. Condenser has mounts at the bottom, fitting the holes like the radiator. And the two lines are on the driver's side. You can see them right there. Now how the hell does this compressor adjust for the belt? I don't see no adjustment. I only see two friggin' bolts holding it on. And there's one down there at the bottom. I guess that one does it too. There. That's 3 bolts. Subaru Imprenza 2008. That fan on the left side comes on with the AC. The connector gets pulled out down there on the blue wire. The other fan, well, it comes on too with AC, but it also comes on at about 210 degrees.